Welcome to Grammar Basics, Parts of Speech. This is your comprehensive guide to understanding the fundamental building blocks of language. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your grammar knowledge, this video is designed to help you grasp the essentials at an A2 level. So, let's dive right in. Grammar Basics. Parts of speech. Verbs are words that show action, they tell us what someone or something is doing. They are like the engines that power our sentences. Let's take a closer look at the different types of actions that verbs can represent. Verbs are words that describe what the subject is doing. First, we have action verbs. These are words that describe physical or mental actions. They answer the question, what do we do? Let's look at some examples. Running, jumping, eating, these are all action verbs. They show us what someone or something is physically doing. Next, we have saying verbs. These verbs represent what we say or express. They answer the question, what do we say? Let's see some examples. Speak, sing, shout. These verbs show how we communicate through words. They allow us to express our thoughts, feelings, and desires. Moving on, we have sensing verbs. These verbs help us describe what we think, feel, or perceive. They answer the question, what do we think, feel, or perceive? Let's explore a few examples. See, hear, smell. These verbs enable us to experience the world around us. They capture our senses and how we interpret the information we receive. Now, let's move on to relating verbs. These verbs allow us to create connections and links between information. They answer the question, how do we relate or connect things? Let's see some examples. Connect, link, relate. These verbs help us establish relationships and associations between different ideas or pieces of information. They enable us to form coherent thoughts and express logical connections. Lastly, we have existing verbs. These verbs refer to things that simply exist without any specific action. They answer the question, how do we refer to things that exist? Let's take a look. Be, exist, belong. These verbs indicate the existence or state of something or someone. They help us describe what or who is present in a particular situation. To recap, verbs are powerful words that describe what the subject is doing. They encompass actions, words we say, thoughts we have, connections we make, and even the existence of things. Understanding verbs allows us to express ourselves more effectively and create meaningful sentences. So, let's practice using verbs and unleash the power of language. Keep learning, keep exploring, and soon you'll be a master of verbs. Happy learning!